Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 23rd of April 2014. You're watching Bitcoin Wisdoms and the data of Bitstamp, a trading platform that right now is showing us the 3-day chart. An important chart that we don't talk too much about it, but obviously each candlestick represents 3 dates of market. That's why you don't see us speaking about this particular trading time frame too much. But right now it's time, and the reasons why it's time is because, as you can see, this particular formation right now can end up become a potential bullish flag, a P formation, or in the best case scenario could be a new potential higher low. Could be the first higher low of this particular time frame, and if it's a good one with high quality, this particular pattern can end up pushing the price to penetrate 548, and then the first target and the main target for this particular pattern could be reaching 710, something that it might happen, but obviously it's too soon to tell. Just so you know, the situation right now is still the same. The bullish hypothesis hasn't been denied by the sellers at this point. 470 is the level that it has to be penetrated by the sellers at some point, and if they manage to do it, we definitely have to reevaluate our conditions of and our strategy to go in the market. But so far everything seems pretty much in the same conditions as previous sessions. As you can see, this is the daily chart. Right now the daily chart, after this particular higher low, it managed to it didn't develop 100%. Obviously the absorption of this congestion, it's something that the price is taking its own time, the market is taking its time. Buyers are trying to take all the sellers away from the market, trying to penetrate this particular resistance, and why not? 548 could be one of the first targets intraday, in order to push the price once again towards this particular resistance. As you can see, this is the 12-hour chart as well, and we can actually consider this particular sideways trend a very positive one. As long as the price keeps its momentum on building potential patterns to push the price above 548, we still have chance to make some decent profits with the market at this level. And right now the only condition that traders are having at this point is they trying to trade between supports and resistance in small time frames, going to 1 or 2 targets, and I'm going to explain you that very quickly. This is right now the 4-hour chart, 240 minutes. As you can see, we have a double tail bottom here, and then there is a third one that is already been penetrated by the sellers. We go a higher low here in formation. This higher low can try to penetrate below the previous lower prices, which are located at 585. This is their target, 470, and maybe below that area, but so far it needs to penetrate all this. But we'll see what happens. If the buyer's volume comes back, there is a chance that this particular lower high end up become a lower high failure, and the price will push back up again, trying to reach 504, and the next higher low in this particular area between 505 and 515 could be a very good opportunity, because the price might push towards first this particular minor resistance, which is located at 537, and then the major one is 548, something we might have to pay attention to. It new opportunities will come along. And last but not least, this is the 60-minute chart. Not much to tell, very sideways trend. It's nothing to do about it, apart from the fact that right now we see this particular retracement. It might be denied by buyers once again, and the price will try to reach once again 595 with 20, and then again a potential higher low can push us back up on track towards above 500. Something it might happen today. And last but not least, here is 15-minute chart. As you can see, very erratic. Some traders are using it to go for 1 or 2 targets. Keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.